In this video, you will learn what Amazon FBA means and what is Amazon FBA, and if you stick to the end, I will share with you how to start a 7-figure Amazon business guide. If you have not subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button and click on the bell notification, so that you can be notified every time I post a new video. What Amazon FBA means. Fulfillment by Amazon, FBA, is a service provided by Amazon that provides storage, packaging, and shipping assistance to sellers. This takes the burden off of sellers and gives them more flexibility in their selling practices. The FBA program allows sellers to ship their merchandise to an Amazon fulfillment center, where items are stored in warehouses until they are sold. When an order is placed, Amazon employees physically prepare, package, and ship the products, as well as handling returns and exchanges. Amazon FBA allows Amazon sellers to manage customer orders, send shipments on time, obtain products available status, ability to attract Amazon Prime customers, how fast customers receive a product can make or break a sale. A study on U.S. shoppers found free delivery is the most important factor for 83% of shoppers when ordering online. More than half, 54%, have abandoned online shopping baskets because of delivery costs. There are 4 types of e-commerce fulfillment models, and they include 1. In-house fulfillment. Storing and shipping orders from your place of business is a common approach for smaller brands. This option may limit the variety and quantity of products you can store and sell, and it could increase your overhead expenses. In-house fulfillment is worth considering if you sell low volume of products, have a functioning logistics network, sell products with complicated packing and shipping requirements. Storing, packing, and shipping inventory quickly and efficiently to the customer's front door becomes even more critical as orders increase. You can scale to a bigger warehouse or storage location, or outsource fulfillment for some products to an outside party. 2. Third-party fulfillment. Many e-commerce service providers offer fulfillment solutions, including warehousing, packing, shipping, and handling returns. FBA provides all these services for Amazon FBA sellers. 3. Multi-channel fulfillment. Multi-channel fulfillment is the process of managing and fulfilling orders across various channels where customers can purchase products, such as from your website, in Amazon stores, on social media, or elsewhere. You don't need an exclusive fulfillment option for each channel. Having a multi-channel fulfillment solution can help you diversify your e-commerce marketing and sales channels while keeping your order fulfillment process manageable. 4. Fulfillment by Amazon. FBA may be the right fulfillment option for your business if you are looking for a way to save time and scale your business. Need an end-to-end solution for inventory storage, shipping, and returns. Want to attract Amazon Prime customers? FBA allows you to ship inventory to an Amazon warehouse at a competitive cost. When an order comes in, Amazon delivers the product to the customer. You can take advantage of Amazon's distribution network, infrastructure, world-class delivery service, return system, and customer service process. The advantages of using FBA services as an Amazon seller are having Amazon's name associated with your products. This is a quality guarantee that most buyers will appreciate, making them more prone to patronize a seller because of it. Having the Amazon name associated with your products will help sellers gain the trust of consumers, who expect excellent customer service and rapid delivery with FBA. Amazon's customer service management. Amazon's 24/7 customer service management handles inquiries, returns, and refunds on behalf of FBA sellers. The service is free, except for the returns processing fee that is applied for select product categories. Subsidized shipping fees. Because Amazon has a relationship with the shipping companies, sellers using this service will be able to pay less in shipping than if the items were being delivered from an individual's account. Also, sellers can offer free shipping over a certain amount since products sold through FBA are eligible for Amazon Prime and free Super Saver shipping. Multi-channel Amazon Fulfillment Center. FBA sellers can store their inventory at Amazon's fulfillment centers. Amazon is able to ship products quickly while handling inventory that is being sold on multiple channels, not just on Amazon's marketplace. Shipping standardization. All FBA orders are processed in exactly the same way Amazon handles its own merchandise. This means that when someone purchases an item, Amazon picks the item from their inventory, packs the item, and ships it to the buyer. A seller can feature an item on his own website, and, through the Fulfillment by Amazon service, Still have Amazon take care of all of the heavy lifting. Access to the Prime audience. Qualified FBA listings are Prime eligible and displayed with the Prime logo. This enables the seller to reach new and existing customers who seek out free 1 or 2 day shipping, filter specifically for Prime eligible products, and only convert if the Prime badge is visible. The disadvantages of using FBA services as an Amazon seller are costly fees, fulfillment and storage fees, including long-term storage fees, can pile up quickly, especially with slow-moving or oversized products. Sellers are also charged removal fees for defective, damaged, and unsellable products as well as disposal fees to get rid of unsellable inventory. Product handling issues by Amazon. Sometimes inventory can get lost or damaged in the fulfillment process. Oftentimes, the error is on Amazon's end, not the seller's. In these cases, Amazon will reimburse the seller proactively. However, some cases might go unnoticed, during which inventory is damaged and seller's money is lost. Sellers should keep records of their shipments in case Amazon short receives inventory. Precise product guidelines. Amazon has specific requirements for certain products, i.e., polybagging and bubble wrapping, to ensure they arrive at Amazon fulfillment centers in optimal condition. Sellers can also choose to have Amazon do the prep for a per item fee. Stickerless commingling. Amazon's default inventory setting is to commingle the same products together from a manufacturer. That means if a seller is selling the exact same product as other retailers or sellers, their inventory will be mixed together. Sellers should be wary of commingling, as low-quality products from less reputable sellers may be pooled together with their own products, which can lead to fraud and account suspensions. High returns. Given that Amazon handles returns with FBA, sellers may experience higher return rates once customers understand how easy it is to return a product on Amazon. Amazon charges several kinds of fees to FBA members such as standard seller fees. Amazon takes approximately 15 to 18% of the product price as a seller's fee when an item is sold. How much will vary depending on the product. Amazon says they charge 15%, but there are some hidden costs such as refunds that are not fully charged back, which increases the overall charge to the seller. Fulfillment fees. These fees are per unit. They vary depending on if the product is standard size or oversized, and include picking and packing, shipping and handling, customer service, and product returns. Inventory storage fees. Based on the calendar month and daily average volume, sellers are charged a monthly storage fee per cubic foot of inventory. These fees also vary by the product size tier. Long-term storage fees apply to units that have been stored in an Amazon fulfillment center for longer than 365 days and are in addition to any monthly inventory storage fees. International shipping. Amazon now offers global export, which allows sellers to send their inventory all over the world. The best fulfillment solution for your e-commerce business will depend on several factors, including the nature of your business, the types of products you sell, your location, and your approach to satisfying customer demands. In-house fulfillment may be right for your business if you want to keep inventory on hand, use your own packaging or labels, stay profitable on products with tighter margins. A fulfillment service like FBA may be ideal if you want to decrease fulfillment headaches and get help scaling your business, outsource storage, shipping, customer service, and returns. If you sell in Amazon stores, FBA also offers several more advantages. Offer fast, free delivery to Prime members. Display the Prime badge on eligible products. Improve your chance of winning the featured offer spot on detail pages. FBA multi-channel fulfillment allows you to combine your online sales channels with Amazon's fulfillment network and provide faster delivery, thanks to Amazon's fulfillment center's high volume capacity. How does the Amazon FBA fulfillment process work? These are the steps on how Amazon FBA works step by step. Step 1 is getting products to an Amazon distribution location. This stage of the fulfillment process is known as receiving inventory. Make sure to pack products with the right shipping material and clear labeling. Doing so will speed the process of receiving inventory and ensure the product is ready to ship out to customers. Common errors that slow receiving. Small oversights can lead to significant delays. Amazon shipping criteria helps keep the fulfillment process as smooth and speedy as possible. Multiple boxes must not be taped or banded together. Shipping boxes should not have any other scannable barcodes except the shipping label. Don't place the shipping label over box seams. Boxes should match Amazon size requirements. Don't use loose packing materials such as packing peanuts or shredded paper. Instead, use foam, air pillows, or full sheets of paper. Make sure individual units in the boxes have scannable barcodes. Each unit should only have one scannable barcode. Case-packed units must only have barcodes on the individual units and not on the outer carton. Ensure each unit is packaged properly to avoid damage to the product. FBA has special rates for inbound shipments to Amazon's fulfillment centers. Amazon partnered carriers offer deeply discounted rates for shipping inventory to Amazon. Step 2. Inventory storage. Inventory storage is the location where orders are stored. It's essential to have enough inventory to meet customer demand, especially during seasonal holidays or peak e-commerce sales events such as Cyber Monday or Prime Day. Each product should have a stock keeping unit, SKU, identification code to assign it to a dedicated storage place to help you manage inventory. Step 3. Order processing. Once a customer completes a transaction, order processing begins. This process includes item selection, packing, and preparing the order for shipment. Be sure to follow all Amazon requirements for packing and preparation to minimize costs and avoid damaging items in transit. Step 4. Shipping orders. If you don't use a service like FBA, shipping orders through a major carrier like FedEx, UPS, or the U.S. Postal Service is the next step in the order fulfillment process. For small orders, shipping may be as simple as a quick run to your local postal service or UPS location. For larger orders, you may want to have a carrier pick up orders in front of a fulfillment location, whether your business premises or a storage facility. Step 5. Notifying the customer. Although not strictly part of the e-commerce fulfillment process, it's important to integrate a customer relationship management tool to give customers a tracking number and let them know when orders have shipped. Using email and shipment tracking reduces calls to your customer service center from customers wondering about order status. Please note that this step can be ignored if you as an Amazon seller are using Amazon FBA service. All of these processes are automated and are done when the customer places an order for your product. Step 6. Processing returns. Returns are a normal part of the business and are to be expected. Whether you use in-house fulfillment or third-party fulfillment service, you will need a process for dealing with returns, restocking or discarding defective products, and sending refunds to customers. Please note that this step can be ignored if you as an Amazon seller are using Amazon FBA service, as returns and refunds are handled on your behalf by Amazon. Clothing items are the most commonly returned online retail products, accounting for 75% of all returns. If you need more detailed information on how to launch and run successfully an Amazon business, download the How to Start a 7-Figure Amazon Business Guide from the description below. Also, remember to comment below and let me know that you appreciate this information. Plus, be sure to check out this next video to learn more about how to run a profitable Amazon business.